Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Sishal and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. So, how many of you like broccoli here? My favorite vegetable is broccoli. So, to make things more interesting, I have bought this recipe called Malai broccoli, or it is also called tandoor broccoli. So, this is a very fine dish. It's so yummy and it's creamy, coated with this vegetable. It's absolutely fun. Mostly you will eat in restaurants, so today we're going to prepare this at home, and hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. So first, the main star ingredient of this is the fresh broccoli. Here I'll be using just one, and I have a vessel there, so whenever you cut these florets you just need to put them over there. And first you cut these stems out, and now I will be cutting them into small florets. If you want it, you can even cut it in big florets, but the reason is when you're putting it on tawa, it will be actually will not cook thoroughly inside, so that's the reason we are cutting into small florets. Again, it's up to your preference, and I would be advising it in small florets. And now we need to wash this thoroughly, so I'll keep this in vessel and I'll wash them properly and drain the water. And throw the small pieces, like really tiny pieces, you don't need to put them there, so just throw them out. Now I'll wash them thoroughly. Now move on to the stove. Here I have filled with the fresh water, and I will be adding a teaspoon of salt to it, and give a little stir so that the salt disperses evenly. Now make it come to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. And now for our malai preparation. Here I have soaked cashews. They are about 12 to 15, and I've soaked them in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can even go for like an hour. It will become way more creamy, but it's okay. And I'll add a little bit of water to that. And here I have cream cheese. I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon. You can also add fresh cream if you like. Here I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt and a half a tablespoon of mayonnaise. This is an optional again. And I'll be adding a teaspoon of fennel seeds. And now I will be grinding them into smooth paste. Now moving on to the bowl, here I'll be adding the cashew paste onto this. And a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, and a teaspoon of salt. Here I'll be adding a teaspoon of Garam masala and 1 cube of processed cheese. You can add any cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, everything works. Here I'll be adding processed one. They're absolutely tasty. And a teaspoon of white pepper powder. Since we are using the white sauce, so we're going to use the white pepper powder. And a teaspoon of lemon juice, just for the tangy flavor. And give that a little stir. Make sure it is all mixed up with this cheese and the sauce. Now our malai paste is ready. And here I have these boiled broccoli florets, and we will add these onto this creamy malai. And now just give them a gentle stir so that this creamy malai gets into this broccoli and makes it a very good flavor inside as well. Now after coating malai with this broccoli, it needs to be marinated. So I will marinate this about 30 minutes so that it gets really better. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now after our marination, we will fry them. So here I have ghee. I'm using ghee. It really gives a very good taste. You can also use butter if you have. Now slightly tilt this tawa to get the even disperse of ghee all to my broccolis. Now I'll be adding one by one. Make sure they are not like sticking to each other, otherwise they will be sticked and it will be a mess. So just add little by little. And I'm frying them at medium flame. And now once you think the other side is done, now tilt it to the other side. As you could see, these give a beautiful marks on these broccolis. It's just so beautiful, which is amazing. And make sure that it gets fried in all the sides. Now just give them a little toss, and if they are not sticking, then you're all good to go. Now I'm just taking them onto this tissue paper to drain out any excess oil or any fat, and that's it. We are done. Look at these, so beautiful are they? And here you go. Now we are done. So I hope you enjoy all watching this video. Please make sure to give this video a like and also share it with your friends, and please do comment what you really like would watch me to do in my further videos. And also do subscribe to my channel, that would really help me a lot. And do hit the bell icon, then you will be getting notified whenever I post new videos. I'm planning to post around Tuesdays and Saturdays, so you may not know when I will be posting videos. So just hit the bell icon for in case. So hope you guys enjoy watching this. So until then, ciao.